Welcome to Law of Attraction Life Coach Academy, where transformation begins and dreams become reality. I'm Anthony Clark.
And I'm Melanie Clark.
And we are
The Amazing Clarks.
Melanie and Anthony, come on out.
Internationally recognized celebrity life coaches known for our groundbreaking approach.
Our program is designed to make you a successful life coach.
It's not just about theory, it's about real transformation. Join our classes to gain hands-on experience, learning how to guide others towards their goals.
Our curriculum covers it all, from fundamentals of coaching to understanding the human mind.
We combine intuition, brain science, and universal laws to create a holistic coaching experience. With options for live, in-person, or online classes, we make it convenient for you.
And our support doesn't end with certification. We're with you every step of the way.
With 24/7 unlimited lifetime support, free consultations, and mentorship programs, we are here for you. Join us on a journey that transforms lives, including your own.
Together, let's make a difference.
So, become a life coach and unlock your potential. Law of Attraction Life Coach Academy, where dreams become reality.